right.
Alright, what the hell is it close at 5?
I don't know.
You want me to get?
Honestly, I don't know. Each elevator takes like...
There's 2 elevators.
This one.
Oh, there's one over there too.
Oh, this is education, so we'll do Gillette, and then we'll go to education in our video. Elevator. Oh my god.
This doesn't look weird at all.
Oh, look at that. That's a US elevator.
I don't like this hallway.
This is a very weird...
Yes.
Yes. Alright.
Rip that off.
Look at
Ooh.
Yeah, we got...
That's a heavy. It's a little heavier than other ones.
I wasn't expecting US elevator. I hope I'm getting the name right. They're my R&O elevator company. We got... Not creepy at all. Door closed. See, normally they'd put the elevator permit here, but we're in North Dakota, so they don't do that. It's very slow.
Ooh.
That just re-leveled.
Okay.
Was it ground or was it 1?
It was. I think it was ground. This is very.
We were in 1, yeah.
Okay. I don't understand why they have basement, ground, and 1.
It's very, I don't know, just UND things.
Huh. The lights are broken up there.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
After you.
That was weird.
Those buns, though, very nice. And that is Gillette, and we'll be in education in the next video.
Cool.
All right.